Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a guava juice together with its nutritional benefit. Okay, the first process is to cut them into small pieces so that we can blend them easily. After cutting your guava, you will put them into your blender. Take a fresh water and add into your blender so that we can start blending our guava. You can close, okay, here you can see your guava inside the blender ready for blending, and also 1 glass of water. Okay, after that we can start blending our guava juice. Here now is a blending process continue. After blending our juice, make sure you take only 1 glass of guava juice and then add 2 teaspoons of honey, natural honey. Okay, this juice will give you 124 calories, where you'll get sodium about 17 grams, potassium is about 95 grams, with total carbs of about 30 grams. From this juice also you'll get dietary fiber of 2.5. In this 1 glass of juice you'll get vitamin C of about 190%. Vitamin A you'll get about 8%. Vitamin B6 you'll get about 5%. And also magnesium you'll get about 4%. It's very, very important for your health, you know. I recommend this juice for those who are in weight loss program, because from this juice you'll get few calories, which is nice for your diet and also weight loss program. And not only that, but also this juice is healthy. You'll get vital and very important nutrients from this juice. Okay, don't forget to give me your comment on this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.